Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Wellness Info channel. Today we are going to discuss about the very vital organ in our body without which we can't live, that is heart. These days even young people are getting heart attacks or sudden arrhythmias like fast heartbeat and slow heartbeat and are dying, suffering from stroke, etc. Today we are going to discuss about and understand about a magical drink that helps you to unclog the arteries, that is to remove the plaques in your arteries so that your heart functions normally. Let's discuss. There are millions of people worldwide who are suffering from cardiovascular, that are heart problems, not only the structure of the heart but also from its functions like blood vessels, even the young generations. Today I want to share with world a very simple drink which can be made at home that can give miracles to help unblock your arteries that are blocked due to many risk factors and they cause many problems, but you can change this risk if your stress, increased blood pressure when measured, and there are many risks such as the smoking, insulin resistance, and also there will be rise in bad cholesterol. Coming here to bad cholesterol, we should talk about oils that we regularly use in our kitchen like groundnut oil, etc. Diabetes is also a risk factor for heart diseases, which is very important and should be noted in everyone. Some other risk factors like obesity and being lazy or lethargic without doing any much activity and eating unhealthy diet. You must do some simple cardiovascular activities like brisk walking, jogging, cycling, running, and taking adequate sunlight, swimming, and playing outdoor activities like table tennis, basketball, etc. Our Indian medicine stresses about doing yoga for all ages, which I am recommending, that should be done from children to adults. Foods high in trans fats will increase the low density cholesterol in your body that lays plaque in your arteries. You need to cut off some of the foods such as the fried and fatty foods, processed and packed foods which are readily available and easy to eat foods, pastries, cakes, maida, and biscuits or cookies, partially hydrogenated oils. There is no doubt that lemon carries highest health benefit of any other fruit on the planet when it comes to helping clogged arteries and also in aiding in digestion, skin and liver health. Vitamin C most commonly available in as nature's citric acid in many of the citric variety of fruits like lemon, oranges, amla or Indian gooseberries is very essential to reduce the plaque deposits in your arteries and make your immunity stronger than before. Garlic, another magic ingredient, contains antioxidants that protect from all the cell damage and it leads to the dilation of the arteries and there will be more blood circulation to your body cells. It also helps to reduce the low density cholesterol, which is the harmful cholesterol in your body. It has major anti-inflammatory properties. It reduces the high blood pressure. Best healing medicinal foods to help to clean out the clogged arteries in your body, thus help in blood circulation efficiently. This drink or tonic I am going to tell should never replace from your doctor recommendations if you have chest pain, dizziness or other type of heart problems. I always recommend you to follow up with your doctor. It is just a boost up drink and an efficiency will be good too. In a blender or mixie, add half cup of water, one full apple, one clove of garlic, just only one. And 1 teaspoon of turmeric and half teaspoon of black pepper and half lemon juice, that is half piece. Add water according to your requirement and blend all the ingredients together. Now, this formula is very healthy, safe, and effective. It helped a lot of many people to treat their clogged arteries. You can take this drink either in the mornings just after you wake up, even with meals, or before meals or after meals, or in the evening, or both. Excited for you to see miracles of healing to allow your body to heal naturally. Thanks for watching. Please share this with your friends and family members, and please leave your comments below, and most importantly, make it a great and happy day. For more information like this, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the red button to get notifications instantly. Thank you.